Okay, morning class.
Morning, sir!
Okay, that's a good song. So you guys are in the mood today, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's check attendance first. Marsha, Kenny. Hey, you're being so loud. Once again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aurel.
Present, sir!
Good. Violet.
Present, sir.
Elsa Dai.
Present, sir.
And then lastly, Gaby.
Present, sir.
Okay. Since you guys are really happy spirit this morning, I think I would like to tell you my activities in the morning. Firstly, I wake up around 5 or 6, right? And then I prepare to go to school around 6:30. Like I eat my breakfast, take a shower, right? And after that, I go to school at 7, alright? Okay, enough with me. Let's say, okay, Aurel. What did you usually do in the afternoon?
For me, in the afternoon, I usually eat at 12 o'clock.
Oh, so you eat your lunch at 12. Very good. Fioren?
For me, in afternoon, I doing my hobby is playing guitar.
Playing guitar. Oh, very good, very nice. Okay, now then, based on what we have been taught, right, for a few minutes, can you guess what we are going to learn today? Anybody? Okay, since Fioren first, so
I think our topic today is daily activities, sir.
pretty good. Okay, give applause. Okay. So, speaking of daily activities, that means we're talking about what we usually do every day. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry, okay, it's a pretty simple material. I'm pretty sure all of you are going to understand it by the end of the meeting, right? Pretty simple, right?
Okay, sir.
Wait, speaking of simple, did you guys remember on the last meeting when we learned about introduce ourselves, right? In order for us to introduce ourselves, we have to use simple.
Present tense.
Okay, good, Karen. Once again, so simple present tense. In simple present tense, that's what have I taught you in the previous lesson. Have 4 social functions. Firstly, about truth. Secondly, habit. Thirdly, instruction. And lastly, giving expression. Pay attention, students, because we are going to talk about habit, or we call it routines. Okay? So basically, habit, routines, daily activity is what we usually do, right, in our everyday life. Let's say, however, did you remember what is the formula of simple present tense? Starting with subject.
Subject for 2 plus object.
Verb 2 plus object, okay. Anybody has different answer? Fioren? It's almost correct.
Subject,
Uh-huh.
one, and object.
Pretty good. Okay, hold on. Where's the? Okay. Sorry. So, thank you once again, Fioren. So, as what we learned that in simple present tense, the formula is subject, verb 1 plus object. In introduce ourselves, the formula goes like this: I am Budi. I as the subject and as the verb. Okay. And then lastly, Budi as the object.
Object.
Very good. Object or complement. Okay. Now that may I use the tissues? Thank you. Now the question is, how that it works in daily activities, right?
Yes.
Okay. Take example. I eat lunch. Okay. So I eat lunch in the afternoon. Okay. Can anybody guess what does I serve? As
Subject.
pretty good subject. Eat as
Verb.
pretty good. And lastly, all of this serve as
Object.
okay, good. But pay attention, students. Different subject has different verb. If the subject is I, you, they, we, then the verb is verb 1, right? But if the subject is he, she, it, then it becomes verb
2.
almost. It should be verb 1 plus S.
Oh.
Okay, then example. Aurel then. If the subject is he, alright, and the activity that he do is soccer, okay? How the word is?
He plays soccer.
Okay, he plays, right, as soccer. Good. Now then, if it's I and sleep, that means the word is, the sentence is I sleep in the evening. Okay, hi Debbie.
Yes, sir.
Are you sick?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just want. At what time did you sleep last night?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Okay, 11 p.m. Okay. If we make it into a sentence, that means the sentence is Debbie sleep or sleeps?
Sleep.
Really good. Sleeps at 11 in the evening. This is the correct sentence. But is it correct for all of you that still in elementary school to sleep at that time? Because it's bad for your body, for your mind, because you need energy to learn to study, okay?
Yes,
All
sir.
of you understand?
Understand, sir.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, since you guys are understand about the material, let's test it out. Okay. Let's see. Thank you. Okay then. You guys are going to rest. Marcia, hi. Come on, don't be scared. Let's say if the subject is I and the word is it, how the sentence is I, it, okay. Okay, lunch. And then? Pretty good. Yeah, afternoon. Next up. Okay, let's say, okay, let's say if the subject is she, okay, and then she go to place and it is the school. How the sentence is?
She
She then?
goes
Okay, really good. And
to bed.
yeah, and
Every
pretty good. Okay, every day. Okay, sorry for that. Next up, once again, Marcia. If the subject is I and soccer every morning, then the sentence is okay. Okay. Very good. Yeah, that's it. And then lastly, okay then, Rosadai.
Yes, sir.
if the subject is we, and then read, and book, and then every day. What's the sentence is? Okay. We read, and then really good. Okay then, so seems like you guys already understand how to express our daily activity, our daily activities to the friends, right? Our friends. So pretty much thank you for Fiona and Aurel, and thank you so much for Marsha and Saya for participating and Gaby. Okay, so that's all for me.